Good morning. Even if it's not morning where you are, it's 8 a.m. I've committed myself to filming 3 videos today, so rip. I got my super festive mug, even though it's July. So I figured I'd just film me doing my makeup because why not? It's a video, so yeah. So my skin is moisturized, obviously, and so I actually planned out this video instead of winging it today, so kind of a real YouTuber now, it's whatever. So I'm starting out with this Tula Beauty primer that I'm trying out right now. I'm still forming an opinion, but I can definitely say that I really like how it feels on the face. While that's sinking in, I'm just gonna go ahead and start my eyebrows. My hair is too tight right now and I'm just trying to ignore it, but I can't. Do you guys like my hair? This is how my natural hair is. I know y'all are used to the braids, but I can't have those forever. They were starting to look a little disgusting, so I have to take them out. But yeah, I'm just taking my NYX pencil. It doesn't have a label. It's new, so you just go to Ulta, the NYX store. Should be front and center. So I'm just doing my hair like strokes. No big deal. I feel like I said last time, a lot of people have their own way to do your brows. Like there's no way to tell someone how to do their brows. Like not everyone has the same shape and all that. So I'm just gonna mind my business and just finish up my brows. They look even enough. So now I'm gonna take my Ulta brow gel that I was talking about, but I honestly, it's running out, so I don't know if it's actually doing anything, but it just comforts me to use it, so it's going on. Oh yeah, I actually did my edges today, so I'm not looking like a hot mess. I mean, my nails still aren't done, so I guess maybe I am a little bit, but not as much. This is more of an informative video, so I'm not really gonna talk that much besides what I'm doing, because I mean, yeah, it's kind of 8 a.m. and I'm just kind of vibing and trying to do my makeup. But I'm definitely gonna let you guys know what I'm doing. In the other videos that I'm filming today, I'm actually gonna talk, so stay tuned if I haven't posted them already. I have no idea which order I'm posting them in yet, so just sit back and enjoy the ride, I guess. Okay, so I'm thinking that I want to do something different for my eyes today because what I did last time was just so basic. Yes. Thinking, I was gonna say orange, but that would look so bad with what I'm wearing right now, so pink? I do have the Modern Renaissance, so I'm thinking pink. Definitely gonna start with the same base though. Ugh. I was excited to do green. It was gonna be different. I'm gonna switch it up. But you know what? The universe told me that I shouldn't do green, so I'm gonna listen. So I'm just taking my same transitions. We're gonna get through this video. I promise. I'm just saying that to get myself through it. So I'm gonna take it's my Ray Ray palette, the original one. I'm gonna take that hot pink and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Wow. Very softly, because I feel like this is about to be pigmented and I was right. Yeah, that's pretty. Y'all do not clock my makeup skills. I definitely have not been in my makeup bag as much as I used to be. So I kind of forgot how to do eyeshadow. I'm such I really turned into one of those mascara and chapstick people and I hate it. I don't want to be her, but I just be lazy sometimes. But I definitely love makeup. and I always have. I feel like that transition is a little harsh. Dang, she is pigmented. She is insanely pigmented. Hold on, I need to check myself real quick. Get my blending. Oof. I really wanted to do something different today. Well, I guess I did it. Because she's a little dramatic, not gonna lie. I might need to wipe some of this off because it's going a little far. Okay. Something simple, something slight. I do not hate it. It'll look better once I put on lashes. So I'm just gonna take my Hourglass Teeny Extreme Caution Mascara. These are for people who don't want to drop a stack on some Sephora mascara, aka me. Because this is literally my least favorite part of doing makeup. Come on. Got things to do, places to be. Not really, but don't have places to be. So, shoot. All right. Time for my favorite part. So, I'm taking my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I kind of like how they did this on the back. I feel like they did it on purpose. But I'm kind of mad I didn't use this in my last video because this is really like my everyday. Like, yeah, I love the Too Faced Born This Way, but I like this more. I just feel like it does exactly what it needs to do. Like, it's skin-like, and it doesn't look like you're wearing a lot of makeup, and you don't need a lot at all. Like, literally, that's all I use on a daily basis. Like, you would never think that that would be able to like do my whole face, but it does, which is crazy. It's wild. So I'm just gonna take that and put that on my spots of heavy pigmentation. By now my primer has sunk in and feels pretty tacky, so that's cute. I'll definitely let y'all know my final thoughts on this in like probably like a week or something. Just so I know that it didn't break me up or anything. I'm actually filming my skincare routine today, so if that's not already out, then stay tuned. If it is, go watch it. I'll link it. Ugh. Yeah, I'm filming 3 videos today, but honestly, I'm just gonna change my shirt and I'm gonna be like, yeah, it's a different day. It's kind of crazy. And I don't really put any on those, so I just take my brush and blend it over. I don't like using a lot of product because I don't like the feeling of having like heavy makeup on me. And I'm willing to sacrifice like a few like spots. Like, you can still kind of see this, but I'm not really pressed over it because imperfections are okay. So next I'm taking this baking powder that I touched about in the last video. Like I said, I have no opinion on it. Oh, by the way, I don't really use concealer consistently. I don't know, like I just feel like it looks kind of crusty on me. So yeah, that's why I'm not putting it on. I kind of, cause like I put eyeshadow under there, so it's just like layer on a lot of stuff, and I don't really see it necessary. I don't know why I powder my whole face. I don't really like need to. It makes me feel secure. So, as y'all know, this is my favorite part. My blush, the Sleek Blush Trio in Pumpkin 363. I'm just taking this BH Cosmetics brush that I use for blush, and I am just gonna go ham. Truly, just wild, going stupid on the blush. This is my bronzer, this is my blush, this is everything. Okay, let me make these even before before I talk too much. So then I'm gonna put it on my nose because that is just cute. Let's see. Okay. So I'm gonna take my Morphe brush. This was not even a palette that I used, excuse me. Oh my gosh, my lash is lifted. How did y'all let me go out like that? Okay. I'm gonna take it's my Ray Ray palette again. I'm gonna take that same pink color. I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line with my Morphe M321. She bright. So I just went to check and like look at the video and stuff, and it did not record me doing the rest of my makeup. So I'm just gonna like tell you guys what I did. So I think it stopped when I was doing my under eye eyeshadow. So after that, I mean, basically I just took my NYX Suede Lip Pencil in Coffee. Ooh. And I took my RK by Kiss lip liner and Hazelnut Honey. That's pretty. And I put like, I was really extra, I just put like a dot of this on my lips. And I followed it by my ColourPop So Juicy Lip Gloss, which is a fave. Yes, 4 lip products went into this lip look. I'm so blown right now. And then that was it for lips. And then I took my Morphe setting spray, which I mean, I feel like I like Fix Plus better, but it's cheaper, so I just, yep. I'm so upset right now, like truly. That was so rude. Anyway, so this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, even though my camera shut off. I honestly don't even want to talk about it. Like, wow, I can't believe it did that to me. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at lauryn alexi. I would really appreciate it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I never know how to do like an exit for this. Like, how do I just like end this? So, all right, bye.